From breaking language barriers to keeping your coffee warm, capturing cinematic shots to high-speed internet on the go, and tackling roadside emergencies, these top 5 tech gadgets are designed to make your life smarter and more convenient. Let's explore the future of innovation. First item on our list is the Timekettle WT2 Edge. The Timekettle WT2 Edge is a cutting-edge AI-powered translation device designed for seamless multilingual communication. Featuring real-time, bidirectional translation in 40 languages and 93 accents, it ensures natural conversations without delays. Equipped with 6 built-in microphones and advanced noise reduction, it delivers crystal-clear audio even in noisy environments. The split design allows both users to wear an earpiece, enabling hands-free interaction. With a low-latency response of just 0.5 seconds, the WT2 Edge supports simultaneous interpretation, making conversations feel natural. 3 modes, Simul, Touch, and Speaker, offer flexibility for different settings, whether casual conversations, business meetings, or travel. The 12-hour battery life with the charging case ensures uninterrupted use throughout the day. Compatible with iOS and Android, the WT2 Edge connects via Bluetooth and works with the Timekettle app for a smooth user experience. Priced at $269, it's an essential tool for travelers, professionals, and anyone navigating multilingual environments with ease. Next item is the Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus. The Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus is the ultimate smart mug for keeping your drinks at the perfect temperature on the go. Featuring precise temperature control from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures your coffee or tea stays just the way you like it for hours. The spill-resistant lid and sleek, ergonomic design make it easy to carry, whether commuting or traveling. With a built-in rechargeable battery, the mug offers extended heating time and charges wirelessly for convenience. The LED display provides real-time temperature updates, while app connectivity allows customization and remote adjustments. Made from durable stainless steel with a scratch-resistant coating, it combines style and function. Priced at $191.99, the Travel Mug 2 Plus is perfect for coffee lovers who want warmth and convenience wherever they go. Next item on our list is FeiyuTech SCORP 2. The FeiyuTech SCORP 2 is a professional 3-axis gimbal stabilizer built for mirrorless and DSLR cameras, supporting up to 2.5 kilograms. It features an innovative L-shaped quick-release system, allowing seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical shooting. The ergonomic dual-handle design ensures better control and stability, while AI tracking technology keeps subjects perfectly in focus. A 1.3-inch OLED touchscreen provides intuitive navigation and multiple shooting modes, including Inception mode, add creative flexibility. The 2,500 mAh battery delivers up to 13 hours of runtime with 18 watts fast charging. Priced at around $369, the SCORP 2 is a powerful tool for smooth and professional cinematography. Next item on our list is the Nighthawk M1. The Nighthawk M1 mobile router from Netgear delivers high-speed 4G LTE connectivity, making it a powerful solution for on-the-go internet. Featuring a 2.4-inch LCD screen, it provides real-time data usage and network details. It supports download speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and connects up to 20 devices simultaneously. The 5,040 mAh battery ensures all-day performance, while an Ethernet port and USB-C charging enhance versatility. With dual-band Wi-Fi and secure networking options, it's ideal for remote work and travel. Priced at around $179, the Nighthawk M1 offers fast, reliable, and portable internet access anywhere. Last item on our list is the Vtoman X7. The Vtoman X7 Jump Start Magic is the ultimate jump starter and air compressor combo, designed to keep you prepared for any roadside emergency. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery or low tire pressure, this powerful and compact device ensures you're never stranded. With an impressive 4250 amps peak current, the X7 can jumpstart all gas engines and up to 10-liter diesel engines, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and even RVs. The The 26,800 mAh battery also doubles as a portable power bank, featuring dual USB ports and a 100 watts fast-charging Type-C port to keep your devices powered on the go. Equipped with a built-in air compressor, it delivers 160 psi of air pressure, capable of inflating a standard car tire in just a few minutes. The real-time pressure display ensures accuracy, while the auto shut-off feature prevents overinflation. Designed for durability, it features a rugged, waterproof body to withstand extreme conditions. The integrated LED flashlight with standard, strobe, and SOS modes enhances safety in emergencies. With advanced safety features like reverse polarity protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit prevention, it guarantees a worry-free experience. For ultimate convenience and peace of mind, the Vtoman X7 Jump Starter Magic is the perfect all-in-one roadside companion. Price $149. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NanoTech for your next dose of tech updates. Until then, stay innovative and see you soon.